there, I'm Alta. Welcome to my newest listing in Amberfield Manor Estate in Centurion. Follow me as I take you on a tour and come and say yes to the address. This home is architecturally designed and will be the perfect villa for a family who loves open plan living as well as natural light. Let me take you on a tour. Come on in. Welcome to this delightful villa with a Morso wood stove to heat the home during winter evenings. Follow me into the open plan living area, which invites the outside in with the wide sliding windows. What you'll absolutely love about this wonderfully designed property is the way the design invites the outside in. All the living areas and even the bedrooms are connected to this spacious, lush, water-wise garden. This home truly is an entertainer's dream, with its gas braai on the patio and the patio that leads right into this super large modern kitchen. I bet you'd want to cook up a storm in this gourmet kitchen with granite tops, space for a double fridge, a double D-Fi eye-level oven, a schmeg cooker hood, and a schmeg gas hob. Follow me upstairs as I reveal another surprise packet this property holds. This beautiful home in Amberfield Manor offers you this gigantic space to use as your home office or even as a third bedroom. Come on. I can't wait to show you the main bedroom that is well lit and light and airy and even has a door that leads out into the garden. The main bedroom has bespoke wardrobes specifically designed for his and hers. This bathroom is spectacular, modern, and move-in ready. The second bedroom is bright and sunny and spacious. This family bathroom is also modern, clean, and updated. Now this is a clever design idea. The laundry is down the hallway, close to the bedrooms. You'll never have to carry dirty laundry to your kitchen again. Come on in. This space just down the hallway from the other bedrooms could easily be utilized as your third bedroom. You can even rent it out to a tenant because it has a door to the outside. Currently, this lovely spacious area is used as a workshop. Well, there you have it. I really hope you enjoyed this tour of this spectacular villa. If you are ready to say yes to the address and want to view it or ask more questions about it, just contact me and also find extra details about this property in the description below. Have a lovely day. Bye.